automated a YouTube channel using n8n and Google's Veo 3.1 video generation model. So Google's new video generation model Veo 3.1 was just released and it's insane. So this model not only generates video but also an audio like voice, music and sound effects, and the results are super impressive. So welcome to NIIT's YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to integrate Veo 3.1 with n8n to create an automated YouTube channel. So enough talk and let's build this. So this is my n8n workspace. So I'm just going to create a new workflow by clicking over this button, and this is my blank workflow. So what we'll do first is we'll add a trigger node. So click on this plus icon and select trigger manually option over here. And now what I want to do is I want to create a channel that shows weird footage captured by a Ring doorbell camera. And this footage can be anything. It could be something spooky, something interesting or funny, or something totally bizarre. So this will work. So how this will work is first we'll create a script for the video using an LLM, and then we'll pass the script over to Veo 3.1 to generate the video. And then after we have our video, we will upload the video to our YouTube channel all on autopilot, and you don't have to do anything manually. So that's the entire flow of our workflow right now. So alright, let's look at generating the script. So click on the plus icon over here. I have a Google Gemini option here and I can use this node, but I find this node isn't really good at producing structured output. So what I'm going to do is I'll go with the basic LLM chain instead. So I'll just search for basic LLM chain, and then I'll rename this to as a create script. And then over here, I'm going to change this to define below. And for the prompt, I'll just enter something like hello. And that's it. So I'm just going to execute this step for now, right? So this is my workflow right now. I'm going to delete this chat node since we don't require it. And now for the model, since we are working with Veo 3.1, so I'll be going with Google Gemini model over here. So click on the plus icon and select Google Gemini. So you have Google Gemini chat model. So I'll just click over here and I'll select that. Now, you have to connect your credentials here. So I already have a credential here. So I'm just going to connect that and I'll choose the model as 2.5 Pro. And that's it. So that's how I can connect my Google Gemini chat model, and then I'm just going to back to Canvas. So if you don't know how to create a credential or connect your Google Gemini model, so what you're going to do is you go over to your Google AI Studio, right? And then click on Get API Key. Then after you click over here, first you have to do is you have to create a project. So create a new project like n8n 2. So I'll just create a project. Then after I have my project, I'll go over to my API keys and I'll create a new API key. Let's name as n8n 1.2, and I'll select my current new project n8n 2 as my imported project, and I'll create a new key. So now I have a new API key. So I'm just going to copy that API key over here, and I'll go back to my n8n workspace and I'll click on Google Gemini chat model. Then I'll click on create new credentials. Then I will copy my new API key over here and then I'll click on save. So my connection is tested and everything works right now. So over the models, as I told you, you can choose any model you prefer, but for now I prefer Gemini 2.5 Pro. So I'll just select that. Now after I'm done with this, I'll just go back to my canvas and I'll see if my LLM node, the create script node, is working or not. So I'll just click on execute step. And as you can see that I have a response back, and if you are receiving an error like you have reached your quota limit or you have issues with your billing problem, don't worry. You'll still be able to follow along with this tutorial. But to solve the billing issues, what you have to do is you need to go to your Google AI Studio again and just click on setup billing on your API keys, and this will take you to a separate page where you can handle all these issues that you overcome throughout the tutorial. So for now, that's it, and I'm going to go back to my workspace. So now I'll enter my prompt something like generate script because that's what I want from this model. So I'll just enter generate script, and this time I'll just add a prompt over here. I'll select a system message, and to enter a prompt you need to go with a prompt that works with Google Veo 3.1. And what I did is I basically asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt which I could copy and paste. So I'll just show you. This is my ChatGPT, and I wrote ChatGPT this prompt that, hey, please improve my prompt to work with Veo 3.1. Create a script for a short 8-second video. The theme of the video is strange footage captured on a Ring doorbell. Videos should be funny, spooky, or bizarre things captured through a Ring doorbell camera. Output, return a JSON structure containing video script, YouTube title, YouTube description, and that's it. So I had this prompt. So I'm just gonna copy all of this, and I'll be pasting this over to my n8n. Now after that, I'll just select execute step and see if this works. So I have an output over here. So my script has been created. So congratulations. So I'll just go back to my canvas for now. And now after this, we already have our script. So what we are going to do is now we'll generate an actual video. So let's click on add button over here. And under the AI option, I'll just select Google Gemini. Google Gemini. And the action that I'm going to select is generate a video. And then after I have this, I can just connect my credentials again, and the resource I require is video, my operation over here, then the model I want to choose. So the model that I'm planning to go with is Veo 3.1 as it's the latest in the market right now. Then you can just select your model over here, and I have the model Veo 3.1. So I'm just going to select that. And then I have my prompt here, which I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it over here. Then return it as video, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So after that, let's see if this output works. So the reason that it's failing is because I don't have a subscription for the Veo 3.1 right now. But if you have a paid service, then you'll be able to get the video output from here. So let's just say we have the output for now. So this gave us the video. And now what you have to do is you simply need to click on the plus icon button over here, and you need to select YouTube. Then from here, what you have to do is you need to upload a video. So again, I'll just go over to my YouTube, and then the action that I want to go with is upload a video. And then you just select your credentials, you connect your YouTube channel, you select your operation, you select your title, and you fill all the desired boxes. And that's how your automation looks like. You have your trigger, then you create a script, then you have your video, and then the video gets uploaded on YouTube. So thank you so much for joining us, and if you like this video, just click on the like button and also share this with your friends. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.